much.
You ever hear the story about the little birdie? My grandpa used to tell it to me.
When I was a boy, men didn't live long enough to become grandpas.
It wasn't easy, son, but it could be done.
There was this little birdie who didn't even know how to fly yet. And one freezing cold night, he tumbles out of his nest and lands on the ground. Well, he starts going like crazy because he's damn nearly freezing. Lucky for him, along comes this cow, sees him, and feels sorry for him. So, she lifts her tail and splash! Drops this steaming hot cow pie right on him. The little birdie's nice and warm again, but he still ain't happy and keeps going beep, 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 louder than ever. A mean old coyote hears him and comes a-running. He reaches out a paw and pulls him out of the cow pie. He brushes the dirt off him real nice. And then swallows the birdie down in one gulp. Grandpa said there was a moral there, but you had to figure it out for yourself.
Bird, coyote, cow pie. It don't make no sense to me, no how.